is Little J, and this is my first bird watching video. Okay, I just seen a hawk. I think it was a chicken hawk, but I'm not really sure. But it was awesome. It was big. I'm telling you. So, when you bird watching, it's so exciting you see a hawk. You hardly don't see them around here that much, but saw them was flying in the air like, man, it's like gliding like a glider almost. It was nice. And this day almost done, so I'm going home. And tomorrow I'm probably even going to bird watch tomorrow, but I'm not sure. Alright, it's not gonna be a long video, okay? So I'll see you next time on Little J Vlogs. See you next time.